Another day, another English lesson. Fully or partly plus past participle. When we want to describe how complete something is, we can use fully or partly with a past participle. This helps us say if something is complete or incomplete. Let's look at how to use them. Fully plus past participle. Fully means something is done in a complete or total way. We use fully with a past participle to say that something is completely finished or done to the maximum. For example, the plan was fully developed. The plan was developed completely. The room was fully furnished. The room had all the furniture it needed. Partly plus past participle. Partly means something is done in an incomplete way. We use partly with a past participle to say that something is not fully finished or only done in part. For example, the house was partly destroyed. The house was destroyed, but not completely. The door was partly closed. The door was closed a little, but not fully. Attributive position. We can also use fully or partly plus past participle before a noun. This is called the attributive position. For example, they moved into a fully furnished apartment. The apartment had all the furniture. We walked along a partly frozen river. The river was frozen, but not completely. Now look at the videos and complete these sentences with fully or partly, plus the past participle of the verb in parentheses. One, the meat wasn't fully cooked, so we put it back in the oven. 2. The project was fully completed before the deadline. 3. The door was only partly closed, so the wind blew it open. 4. The family was fully prepared for the storm. 5. The shop was fully stocked with fresh fruit and vegetables. 6. The street was partly blocked by a fallen tree. 7. She bought a fully furnished apartment in the city. 8. We skated on the partly frozen lake in winter. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos in the future. See you soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.